Hi, so today I will be sharing how I fix my Jabra 75 Evolve speaker connection. So when I was opening, I dismantled the speaker as well. Let me show you what I. So if you see, there are four connection for the speaker, okay, and usually people confused with that it has only two wires, but actually it has four wires. Each wire has two further wires. So what you need to do, you need to connect these two to each of these two. So these two from one wire and another from the other wire, and that's it. Once you solder, you are done, and it will work very perfectly. All the best for yours.